Look, you are probably using Google NotebookLM completely wrong. And honestly, it's costing you hours of wasted time every single week. Welcome to today's Explainer. We're doing a fast-paced report today, cutting right through the noise to bring you the advanced AI strategies you actually need right now. Because here's the thing. Most beginners out there just log in, upload a single PDF, and basically use it as a glorified summarizer. You know the drill. They ask a question, get a quick summary, and log out. But power users? They've secretly transformed this platform into a full-scale AI knowledge operating system. They aren't just summarizing. They are actively researching, finding hidden connections, and generating assets at absolute lightning speed. And the stakes, right now, are huge. We have this incredible tool literally right at our fingertips, but if you don't adapt to these power user workflows, you're simply going to fall behind in the AI productivity race. So today, I'm bringing you 10 hidden NotebookLM power hacks that will completely change how you study, research, and work. Oh, and you absolutely need to stick around for the final hack on our list. It's a massive game changer that will expose the hidden weaknesses in your business ideas before your customers ever do. Okay, let's dive right into this. Segment 1, the research revolution. Here is the absolute biggest mistake people make: isolating your documents. NotebookLM can synthesize data beautifully, but keeping your PDFs separated in different notebooks totally ruins the tool's potential. So you've got to build what we call a unified everything notebook. Just upload everything, your papers, reports, transcripts, straight into one exact workspace. And this brilliantly illustrates what happens next. Once you're set up, drop in this exact prompt. Analyze all uploaded sources, identify contradictions between them, then highlight the biggest missing information. Suddenly, NotebookLM stops acting like a simple chatbot and becomes a ruthless research assistant. It'll spot gaps across dozens of documents all at once, giving you insights you literally never would have caught manually. Let's rapidly fire off another massive time saver. If your documents already live in Google Drive, there's absolutely no need to download everything first. By integrating Google Drive directly, you create an auto-updating living workspace. Instead of dealing with a messy graveyard of static, downloaded files on your hard drive, you just refresh the linked source. It pulls in the latest version instantly, which makes smooth team collaboration completely effortless. Now, as you research, you're going to generate some brilliant insights, but in those super long chat histories, great ideas often just disappear into the scroll. So to fix this, you need to ruthlessly pin your useful responses. Pinning notes saves them permanently right to your workspace dashboard. Over time, these pinned notes evolve from a random chat log into a highly personalized knowledge library. You can then just select those pinned notes and combine them directly into final drafts or reusable study guides. You will literally never lose a good idea again. All right, shifting gears here. Segment 2, the content engine. Look, reading a 100-page report is draining. Yes, AI can read it for you, but let's be real, reading robotic text summaries is about as fun as reading a software terms of service agreement. So, the crucial point is you need to use NotebookLM's audio overviews. Just one click transforms your dense data into a custom AI podcast, featuring 2 surprisingly realistic hosts who actually banter, connect concepts, and explain your data naturally. You can download these and listen to your own research while commuting or hitting the gym. But here is the secret that almost everyone misses. You are not stuck with the default generic podcast. Before you hit generate, you can actually command the AI hosts. You give them specific podcast directives. Tell them to focus only on the financial risks, or hey, ignore chapter 2 entirely. Tell them to debate both sides of an argument, or use a highly skeptical tone. You're essentially the executive producer directing a custom radio show tailored exactly to what you need to learn. And the content engine definitely doesn't stop at audio. Need to present your research? Don't start from scratch. Upload a previous deck as a reference source and tell the AI to generate a new slide outline. It will instantly map your new research onto your company's exact structural style in seconds. You get a logical flow perfectly matched to your brand without any of the usual hassle. Which brings us to segment 3, the strategic analyst. Ever find yourself typing the exact same massive prompt over and over? Yeah, it's a huge waste of time. Instead, you need to create a reusable playbook. Open up a Google Doc, title it Content Analysis Workflow, and literally type out your exact formatting needs. Maybe you always require a bias analysis, some key insights, action items, and a summary table. Then just upload that single document as a core source right into your Everything notebook. Because by doing this, you've essentially programmed the AI. Now, all you have to type is this incredibly simple prompt. Use the content analysis workflow on this meeting transcript. Boom. It reads your uploaded playbook and instantly formats your new data exactly how you like it. You are saving hundreds of keystrokes every single time you need to run an analysis. Now, what's really interesting about this next concept is that text summaries aren't always enough to grasp really tough subjects. Instead, ask NotebookLM to generate structured outlines or mermaid code. It maps out a structural hierarchy, breaking down the main ideas, the evidence, and the relationships. It basically creates an instant mind map, which is absolutely incredible for visual thinkers. And to get truly strategic analysis, you have got to change the AI's perspective. Don't just accept the default, overly helpful AI tone. Assign it a role. Tell it to act as a senior lawyer reviewing a contract, a VC evaluating a pitch, or even a professor grading a paper. Add strict rules like always cite your sources, and you literally force the AI to provide deeply specialized, expert-level analysis. Now, you likely have some great marketing copy or business proposals, but launching them out into the world untested is incredibly risky. So, let's move to and see how this builds into our final, most powerful strategy, creating your very own AI focus group. Just upload all your materials, your pitches, your competitor info, the whole shebang. Then hit the AI with persona prompts like, act as a skeptical CFO and tear apart my budget, or act as an unhappy customer and tell me why you hate this new feature. It will ruthlessly challenge your assumptions, uncover your blind spots, and find hidden risks. You get to stress test your entire business against expert reviewers before real human customers ever see it. So, NotebookLM has clearly evolved into a centralized knowledge hub that doesn't just read for you, it actively works for you. From everything notebooks and custom AI podcasts to the ultimate AI focus group, you are now fully equipped to navigate the AI productivity race like a total pro. So, I want to hear from you. Which of these 10 hacks surprised you the most? Drop your answer down in the comments and go turn your scattered documents into a true strategic advantage. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.